Hello, my name is Charlie Waits. I'm an attorney in Jasper, Alabama. I want to talk to you about divorces. I'll just go over some general topics. First, you have two main categories of divorces. You have uncontested. That's where the parties agree on everything, every issue in their case: alimony, child support, child custody, who gets what piece of property, who pays what debts. Then there's contested divorce, and a contested divorce is when the parties can't agree. They are in a fight. They can't either agree on custody, they can't agree on the amount of child support, they can't decide who's going to get the house, who's going to get what portion of the 401k. If there's a 401k, they can't decide who's going to get the jewelry, who's going to get the electronics, who's going to get the chickens, who's going to get the horses, who's going to get the nice Harley in the driveway. All kind of things come up in divorces. Now, a contested divorce is going to cost you a lot of money as a client. It just takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of attorney effort. It takes a lot of time to prepare for a trial, to prepare well for a trial. Usually the average hourly rate in there is around $250, $300. You're probably going to have to pay a minimum of a $5,000 retainer up front. The lawyer might take the filing fee out of that. In Walker County, the filing fee is around $239. Uncontested divorce, if you can agree, is much more affordable. Now, I do uncontested divorce for different prices. If they're children just cost more. Children make more paperwork. With the filing fee, my uncontested divorce price, including the filing fee, is about $1,250. Without kids, you're probably looking at getting around, including the filing fee, a total of $1,000 to help you with the paperwork, make sure it's all done, make sure it gets signed by both parties, everything's correct. There have been plenty of people who've come to me that have tried to do it their own. They get to the judge, something's wrong. He tells them they need to get an attorney. Well, they've wasted time, they've wasted effort. You might as well get an attorney on the front end. Look, it's kind of like this. If my tonsils are swollen and I get a mirror and a sharp enough knife, I can cut my tonsils out. Maybe I should let a doctor do it, though. If you need a divorce, maybe you should let somebody who's trained to do it. Maybe you should let a lawyer do it who's done quite a few of them. I invite any questions you might have for divorce. Alimony, a topic, I'll just go over that quickly. If you've been married a couple years, don't expect to get a lot of alimony, or maybe any alimony. You might get some rehabilitative alimony to help get you back on your feet if you're the spouse who's making the lower income, but you're not going to get a lot. Now, if you're a spouse who's been a stay-at-home wife, and you've been married 35 years, and you've taken care of your husband, and he's been the breadwinner, you're probably going to get permanent alimony. You're probably going to get alimony for life unless you remarry, or unless a situation arises where, I guess, probably cohabitation would take you out of the ballgame of getting alimony. But you're going to get it if you've been a good wife, if it's his fault, if you're not the one who caused the demise of the marriage. So, just like alimony, other issues, I invite any questions. Write your questions in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Now, I have to give this legal disclaimer in any kind of video that could be considered an ad for Alabama. No representation is made that the quality of legal services to be provided is greater than the quality of legal services provided by other lawyers. Again, my name is Charlie Waits. My phone number is 205-388-1507. I do divorce, I do injury cases, I do criminal cases, I do various other matters. If you need legal assistance, give me a call. Thank you so much.